You can upload any file to QXStar and ask questions about the content in your files. QXStar supports a total of 80 different file extensions, including DOTX, PPTX, XLSX, PDF, and even AutoCAD and Photoshop files. After a file is uploaded, it is queued up for ingestion by QXStar in the background. You can still open the file in the meantime to preview it. QXStar features in-browser previews of over 80 different file extensions. Once a file is ingested, you can look up the file simply by asking about any content present in the file. QXStar will find the information across your entire repository, and most importantly, provide the source of that information, including the page number and the file where the information came from. Clicking on it will open the file directly. Now let's see how you can use QXStar to analyze document content paragraph by paragraph. For this example, we'll explore how we can check if a contract adheres to a set of guidelines defined in another document. Now let's assume we're creating a new contract, and let's say we have written 2 clauses in this contract. By highlighting these clauses, I can click on the Analyze with AI button in the toolbar, and I can then choose a file to use as a guideline for which my prompt should be applied to. Upon specifying my prompt, it will apply it using the guideline file as the basis on every paragraph in my document. The AI analyzes each paragraph and outputs its comments on the right side in the comments area. You can see here that the AI has detected non-compliance of the contract clause based on the guidelines provided. In this next use case, we will see how we can apply one document to another and issue a prompt to perform comparisons of its content. In this example, I will compare one insurance product to another in terms of coverage and cost, and I will do so despite the fact that one product brochure is in Thai and the other product brochure is in English. In this next use case, we will look at how we can use QX Star to extract key information and metadata from a document. First, we define the document types and all the metadata fields that we want to extract in the configuration settings. This is done one time. Once this is set up, every time you upload a new PDF in the future, it will first categorize it based on what type of document it is. After that, it will automatically extract the fields tied to that document type. QX Star provides human users a way to still approve the finalized content via workflow and make adjustments along the way. In the final use case, let's take a look at how QX Star handles audio and video. If you upload an MP3 or WAV file, QX Star can transcribe the entire audio into speech bubbles of any language, including English, Thai, Chinese,
That is
Malay, and
Avenue
so on.
Beaumont, Texas.
QX Star supports over 80 different languages.
Thank you for that information, Randall. May I have your home.
All transcription is fed in to the large language model, and you can ask any question about what's spoken in the audio without listening to the entire file. Just like the earlier demos, you can even apply documents of other types such as PDF onto audio files. For example, we might want to use a call center guideline SOP document to analyze how much of the audio conversation complies to that SOP. We first open that audio conversation and then we browse and select that SOP document. After that, we issue the prompt to ask QX Star for its analysis. In this example, the analysis will appear in the chat window. But we can also do this whole process as a batch process, analyzing hundreds of audio conversations at a time, and then providing the output in a single Excel summary, where each row represents the summary for each conversation.